Yeah, good morning, good afternoon, good night, my YouTube family. Look at this snowstorm. So the rare snowstorm we get the 2021 so far. The worst February. Look on this, that's on my 8th February now, guys. Look on the car. Good snow. 20 centimeter, 20 whatever you want to call it. Look on my foot nice now, guys. I'm not try come up in this blur name. I tell you now. I tell you already, I tell you now again. This are not pretty, guys. Look at this are not pretty. This are not pretty, guys. This are not pretty. This are not pretty. I'm going to drive on the road going on this. I'm going to go up on the road on this. It's up on my door here. Look at my door here. It's up on my door here, guys. Look out this. Look on the road. Look there. Holy crap. This is not pretty, guys. I'll clean out the car right now. Alright? I'll go up on the road for a second. Alright? I'm hoping I enjoy this now. Because trust me, it's not pretty. Rare snowstorm for 2021. And it's not done yet. They fall all day today. So I'm going to do my one cut. Hey guys. I drive out to go on the road. And I gotta turn back. Too much snow, guys. We'll not gonna make it. I have to wait till they clean the road. It's too much. Look at this, man. Holy crap. First snowstorm. Not 2020, guys. I'm gonna go buy a Hummer. I'm gonna go buy a Hummer, guys. Can't do this. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to clean off the van now, yeah? I'm not clean it off the drive. Now I move till summer. So, this side, guys. Okay. Really? Holy crap. Yeah. Push my foot straight on this, guys. 20 centimeter, guys. 20 blend need soup centimeter. What a snow. Can't believe that. Look on the board. My face, my nose probably I run. My cuteness I run off. Can't run off still, but I tell you a serious thing, guys. We have a nice winter so far. And February just come and mess it up. So I say. So if you want to see more videos like this, guys, remember to like, subscribe and share. You know, and follow me on all social media platforms. See you way. Alright? Yeah, man. This is how we're out there, guys. You're not pretty. You're not pretty, I blur it neat. I'm parking at the road, see me. Half of my car on the road. Look on my step. Look at that. So I spot them, you know, it's full of snow over there. So. Side of the house. Can't step in it, that's my sink. Look at that. Foot sink. 20 centimeter, guys. You look around, so. Go take out them pitney. On my back light on. Side door light on. I burn current. Okay, guys, and my shoes. And my Timberland. I know, yeah. I had shoes now, but there's a Timberland here. I had the light one, them. You see it? So I don't know, sir. My socks sweater now. I will finish up shoveling and go and go drink some hot cocoa. You see it, guys? Take off my shoes before they wet up inside. The worse than it is. But I'm telling you, guys, in and nice in Canada, driving in the winter. I was gonna go on the road, but the snow was so high in my car. Look here, guys. One set of footprint in the sun. Craziness. I'm gonna clean the whole of this right now. So now, the dogs, I'm not thinking I'm gonna see me. So I'm gonna have a proper stand. To set it up on. Oh my god. Oh my god. So I just have camera in the garage. Not bad, guys, eh? What's behind me? So when I can see, honestly, that better. Hey guys, I just saw you set up your seat. Oh, that's not nice. The weather is not nice, guys. Not nice at all, at all. Oh. Give me a better shot of it. So I say, the weather is not pretty. Ain't not pretty, huh? Ain't not pretty at all. Walk down to the earth, you know. This is a serious thing, guys. Serious thing. Guys, I'm open. I'm not try this out. So I say, over there, not pretty. Over there, these guys. I don't know how much years we can do this. So. Yeah, guys, not pretty, sir. I'm still not done. Look at that. Still not done, guys. Can't done, not done. Come on, fun. Holy. Can't done, guys. Can't done. I'm not gonna jump in that. Yeah guys, so that's how you set up your seat. Still not done clean off. Too much in front of me house, look at one pile of coolness. I talk too much in the video guys. My mouth dip white, my ears and my freeze off. Make it cool. So that's it. I finish clean up. Alright. So I'm hoping to like that video. I'm hoping to come to Canada soon. So what I say? Come up here now. Alright? Alright. Scotch Family 9 out.